Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. Number 24. Environment and Ecology. The Pocharam Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is located in A. Medak. The Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is situated along the A. Manjira River. The Mahavir Harina Vanastali National Park in Telangana is known for its conservation of A. Blackbuck. The Kawal Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is situated near the town of A. Janaram. The Kinnarasani Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is known for its A. Tiger Reserve. The Amrabad Tiger Reserve in Telangana is located in which district? A. Mahbubnagar. The Kawal Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is known for its conservation efforts for which endangered species? A. Swamp deer. Barasinga. The Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is located along the banks of which river? A. Manjira River. The Kinnarasani Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is known for its population of A. Leopards. The Pocharam Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is home to the A. Indian gazelle. Chinkara. The Nalamala Forest in Telangana is known for its rich biodiversity, including the A. Sloth bear. The Musi River in Telangana faces pollution mainly due to A. Industrial effluents. The Kinnarasani Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is known for its A. Crocodile Rehabilitation Center. The Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is a major habitat for the A. Mugger crocodile. The Nehru Zoological Park in Hyderabad plays a significant role in the conservation of A. Asiatic lion. The Kawal Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is known for its population of A. Sloth bear. The Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve in Telangana is located along the banks of which river? A. Krishna River. The Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is a habitat for the A. Indian pangolin. The Pocharam Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is known for its population of A. Spotted owlet. The Kinnarasani Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is home to the A. Marsh crocodile. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.